Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by signing into your Chromebook and opening settings to reach storage management. Do this now so you can act immediately. Once in storage, check what's using space, downloads, apps, and backups, and plug an external drive or confirm drive sync if you plan to move files. You're preparing the workspace so deletions are safe. This avoids accidental loss and speeds the cleanup that follows. Now remove clutter. Go to the Files app and delete items and downloads, then sort by size to target files over 100 MB. Once done, open Chrome, / extensions and uninstall extensions you don't use. Launch Settings apps to remove Linux or Android apps consuming space. Make sure to clear Chrome's cache and remove offline drive files to reclaim storage. These steps free immediate space and prevent repeated growth from cached data. Finish by emptying the trash and revisiting storage management to confirm reclaimed space. If you still see big items, move them to an external drive or Google Drive. Once moved, disable unwanted syncs and restart the device to ensure system caches reset. If storage remains critically low despite these steps, consider a power wash as a last resort. If power wash fails, check for corrupted drive entries or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.